Hello, welcome to episode 93 of the Datapack tutorial series, version 1.21. We're going to be checking if the player opened a specific chest using advancements. So I've got 3 chests. Oh, I've got 4 because I've got one in my hand as well. This chest? No, you're not special. This chest? No, you're not special. This chest? You opened the special chest. Okay, basically we have an advancement checking if we open the chest at that location. If we do, we run a function as the player. Cool. Pretty simple. Let's get on and build it now. Okay, let's start in VS Code. Let's create some folders and files. In my namespace, let's create a new folder, advancement. That's where the advancement's going. Funnily enough, a new file. We'll just call it open. There's my advancement, and inside my namespace function, let's create a folder to keep my functions tidy. And we'll call it open. Okay. Right, let's do the advancement. First, I am going to get the coordinates of my block. Actually, no, I won't. We'll do it without coordinates first. Let's go over to misode. We'll reset that. Criteria, let's just call it open or open chest, whatever you like. And trigger will be any block use. Conditions will be location. Condition will be location check, predicate, checking for a block. The block we're checking for we'll put as a string and we'll say chest. And then we need a reward, which we'll just put a placeholder in there for now. And we will copy that. We will take it back to VS Code and we'll paste it in there. Well, we don't want to paste it in there. We want to paste it into the advancement. How silly. There we go. Let's change our placeholder. Start typing our namespace. Okay. Now I'm going to take that and I'm going to take it back over to misode and paste it in there. So when we come back and make changes, I don't have to keep changing it. Right. Okay. So we're doing a location check for a chest. Let's save it. We're running chest open. First thing we're going to do is revoke the advancement. Advancement revoke for the player only. ID. ID because it's the beginning of my namespace. And let's say something. Say open save. Let's go back. Let's do a reload. Let's press F5. Right, we put a chest down. Open it. It says open. Put a chest down. Open it. It says open. Cool. We are detecting any chest. Now let's detect a specific chest. Let's get the coordinates of this one. Fill. Tab, tab, tab. 95612. Okay. Let's go back to misode. And here in our predicate where we are checking for a block, we can also check position. Now we've got a choice here. We can do a float. So what did we have? 95612. Or we could do an object. It gives us a range. So we could check any chest that is between x5 and x10, for instance. We're going to start with a float. 9, float, 56, float, 12. Okay, let's copy that. Copy. Let's go back. Let's paste it over our advancement. Now we've got our location check. Save that. Go back. Do a reload. Let's just do a check on the coordinates, 95612, and let's open it. Oh, nothing happens. Even though we specified the coordinates of the chest, nothing happens. Now, what I'm assuming is happening here, we've said 95612, and I'm assuming that that is right down here at the corner of the block. And there isn't a chest there. This is what I'm guessing is happening anyway. I might be wrong, but I do know how to fix it. So instead of checking right down here, let's go back to our advancement and let's do search for 9.5, 56.5, 12.5, and let's copy that. And now we could have just changed it in here. Let's copy, paste, save. Let's go back. Do a reload. And now when we open it, it says open. So I'm assuming instead of looking here, it's now looking in the center of the block. And it's saying, hey, there's a chest there. Now let's put some others down. Right. Nothing. 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 Middle one. open. Great. We are detecting that chest. Right. But here's a strange thing. Let's open this one. Clear chat. Nothing. I am opening that one, but I'm not interacting with 95612. I am interacting with, that's minus x, so 85612. Okay, so let's see if we can do a range. So let's go back. So let's go, well, let's go to misode. So let's change this to an object. Let's say, okay, 8.5 to 9.5. Now, I don't think this works. I think if you change range for one, we probably have to change it for all. But let's do a quick little test anyway. It's worth testing things. Let's put that in there. Paste that. Save it. Let's go back. Let's do a reload. Oh no, that seems happy. Okay, what about here? Not happy. Not happy. Not happy. Happy. Did we have changed it in the, yeah, okay, I'm sure, I swear I've tested this before and it was unhappy when only one of them was arranged, but this seems to be working quite fine. What did we put a chest on the end? Well, we could probably just extend that to 10.5, couldn't we? Let's try it. Save. Reload. So this one should do nothing. No, this one should say open. This one should say open, and this one should say open, and this one should do nothing. Clear the chat. Yeah. So our check is 8.5 in the center of that to 9.5 in the center of that one. So this doesn't count, and this one doesn't count. And because our Z is set to this line, nothing here, and shouldn't be anything above. Oh, that's interesting. I clicked on it, and it counts that as an interaction. Now, would that be a problem? If you were on a server or something like that, yes, that would be a problem because obviously anyone can come along and just stick things down. If you are in adventure mode or for a map, well, I can't place blocks, so that's not a problem. I can still open it. There we go. Simple little detection for a map when you're in adventure mode to check if a specific chest is opened. Anyway, I am off to work. Early start. See you soon. Bye bye.